Today I will discuss about Today I will discuss about the limit of a function at a given point. So for that we have to find the limit of function at a point x is equals to a. So suppose fx be any function. Okay, you can take a real valued function, not any, but a real valued function. Okay, so let's say here is a number line, here is a point a. So to be find the limit of a function at a given point, we have to check the approaching value of the function not at point a but also the neighboring points of this point a. So according to the number line, we have two neighbors. First of all, the neighbors will be from the left hand side and second one from the right hand side. So to reach the point a, we can approach from two sides. First one left hand side and second one from right hand side. So to denote these 2 points, let's say some h is greater than 0, which is positive but very small number. So definitely a minus h will always less than a and a plus h will always greater than a. To reach a minus h to a, we have to approach h to 0, and to approach from a plus h to a, we have to move h to 0. Okay, so we have two sets. First one is a minus h to a, here is a set, and second one will be from a to a plus h. This set is called the left hand side, left hand points, and this is the right hand side point, right hand side point. So to define limit of function at a, we have to check the behavior of the function on both these sets, left hand points and right hand points. So according to these, according to the value of these, value of the given function at these two sets, we have divided the limit into two parts. First one is a left hand limit, and second one is called right hand limit, that is short form is RHL. So first of all, I am giving you the basic definition of limit in calculus. Definition is as follows: for a given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta, for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta positive such that mod of fx minus L is less than epsilon for every mod of x minus a is less than delta. Here we have suppose that limit of fx at x goes to a is equals to L. So this is the calculus definition of the function. The means of the definition is that if we take the point a and take the graph of the function is as follows. This point will be f of a, and let's say here is a minus h, here is a plus h, the value will be a minus h and the value will be a plus h, f of a plus h. So here as a minus h goes to a, my f of a plus h, f of a minus h goes to f of a, and similarly as a plus h goes to a, my f of a plus h also goes to f of a. So here is also a one limit approaching value, the second one is approaching value. These two approaching values is called the left hand limit and the right hand limit for a given function. So here your left hand limit will be limit h goes to 0 f of a minus h, and your RHL will be limit h goes to 0 f of a plus h. Okay, so if these two are called LHL and RHL करता है, also are called the approaching values of fx at x equals to a. If the approaching value from both sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, are equal, then we can say that the limit x goes to a f of x exists and is equals to any one of these, like LHL or RHL. So this is the definition of limit of a function at a given point A. So we will approach from both sides, from left hand side and from right hand side. So basically, what is the mean of a limit of a function? The meaning is that we have to count the approaching value of this function as we approach to the given point A. From the left hand side is called the left hand limit, and if we approach from right hand side, that it will call the right hand limit of the function. Okay, thank you.